Welcome to my channel Curiosity Beyond My Kitchen. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be making stuffed sweet potato or jacket sweet potatoes, whatever you want to call it. We are going to bake our sweet potatoes, so it's going to be a baked dish. So let's get started. So for our stuffed sweet potatoes, we are going to require sweet potatoes. Of course, I have some onion. I have chopped them finely. Here there is cream cheese. This is grated mozzarella. I have salt, rosemary and black pepper. So first thing we'll have to wash our sweet potatoes. I have already washed them, so I'm not going to show that to you. Next, we are going to take a fork and ab sara frustration, jitna bhi gussa, think of the worst person that you can think of and start piercing the sweet potato with a fork. You don't want to do like too many holes. This is good enough. You do that to the second one as well. After that, we are going to take some oil and drizzle the sweet potatoes with oil. And now I'm just going to sprinkle some salt. Now you just make sure that your oil and salt is spread across evenly on your sweet potato. Now since this is done, we will put this into the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. If you don't have an oven, you can do this in a pressure cooker as well. So now I have cheated a little. I already have 2 sweet potatoes which are ready. I didn't want to wait for 40 minutes, so I already prepared 2. If you want to know whether they are done or not, you just take a fork and just put it in, and if it's soft and the fork goes in smoothly, that is when you know they are done. So the next step is going to be, we are going to make a cut. And you want to remove this. Let's make it slightly bigger. Don't worry about the portion that's come out, we are going to use that anyway. Same thing on the second one. Now we are going to take these and just remove the skin of the cut off pieces. Now I'm just going to put this into a bowl. Now we are going to take a spoon and we are just going to scoop most of the potato out into this bowl. You just want to let a little bit of the skin with a little bit of the sweet potato remaining. You want the rest of it out in the bowl. As you can see, majority of our sweet potato is out into the bowl. I'm just going to put these skins again into the oven at the same temperature, and they will stay in just while we make our mix, the stuffing that we are going to prepare. While that gets ready, we are going to leave this into the oven. So now we are going to take a fork and we are going to just mash our sweet potato. We are going to add a little salt, just a little black pepper. I'm going to add in onions. I'm adding about 2 spoons of cream cheese. And here I have some rosemary. So I'm just going to sprinkle that. Now you give all of that a mix. And our stuffing is ready. Now we'll take our skins out of the oven and we are going to fill that in with the stuffing. Now the skins are out of the oven, and don't worry if something like this happens to your sweet potato skin, you can still work with it. As you can see, I have a torn skin here, but I'm still going to work with it. Now we're just going to fill all of this in. Now that the sweet potatoes are stuffed, all we have to do is we have to top it off with cheese. Here I have some mozzarella. Now this goes back into the oven for about 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, and then our sweet potatoes are ready. So now our sweet potatoes are done. They are out of the oven. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to top it with a little more cream cheese. And it's ready to be served. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the recipe. If you do end up making any of my recipes, please don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Instagram at Curiosity Beyond My Kitchen. Please do share my videos with your friends and family. And if you like the videos, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more suggestions for any recipes, please do let me know in the comment section below.